Hello, hi, how are you? Well, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to introduce yourself in English. I mean self-introduction. You know, there are many ways to introduce yourself and in different situations, but I'm gonna teach you the different tips you will need to use in introducing yourself in English as beginner. Before, let me say hello to all my subscribers, and as you know, I love you too much, and keep subscribing, keep sharing the videos in order to help others discovering this channel. As you know, I am Livingston Joseph, and welcome again to my YouTube channel, English with JL. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. Leave a comment by letting me know how do you feel and what do you need me to bring for you. And I love you so much. That, introduce yourself is talking about yourself, talking about your personal information. But I'm gonna teach you how to introduce yourself as a beginner in English. Maybe when you meet a friend, when you go to a meeting, or in any different place. I love you so much. Well, I think that to introduce yourself in English, the first thing is that, is by greetings. The first thing you use in introducing yourself is greeting. By saying hello, hi, how are you, or good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or it's up to the time that you are talking. For example, in the morning, it's possible to say good morning. During afternoon, good afternoon. And after, good evening. Remember for not saying good night, because good night is just a wish when somebody is going to sleep. And the second one you use in introducing yourself is that your name. You say your name. For example, what is your name? Between your first name and your last name, you presented your name and your first name to the person or to the group of the person. And then that you say your name. For example, after saying hello, I say that my name is Livingston Joseph, or I am Livingston Joseph. This is really simple. I think this is not really complicated in introducing yourself in English for any kind of person or before any kind of person. Even though you are a beginner in English, so I think that you can do it with no problem. And the third thing that you use in introducing yourself is that your origin. You present your origin. You say your origin, where exactly you are from, where exactly you are from, or where exactly you are located. For example, let me say that hi, it's where I just create the first word, and then after that I say my name is, or I am Livingston Joseph, and then that I am from Turkey. You see, I am from Turkey. It's okay then now. So that I say my name, the first word is that greeting. Greeting, I used hi or hello in this case, and after I present my name, which is Livingston, and then after I say that I am from Turkey, I said my origin or where exactly I am located. And the fourth one is that I talk about the kind of person that I am, the type of person that I am. Maybe my profession, or what I do for living in life. Let me say, for example, hi, you see, or hello, my name is Livingston Joseph, I am from Turkey, I am an English teacher, or I teach English. You see, the first one is that I greet, and after I say my name, and after I say what kind of thing that I do for living. You see that I teach English, or I am an English teacher, right? And then after, and then to keep on or to go ahead, maybe to go ahead, if I am single, I mean that I don't have anybody in my life, I am living alone. Okay, I am single. But if I am married, I say that I am married. I just present exactly the kind of person that I am. If I have nobody, okay, I am not married. I am single, right? I live alone. Or if I have somebody with me, yeah, I am married, it's okay then. And after that, I presented my happiness. Maybe after meeting the person or after meeting the group of the person, I mean that I present my happiness. I show my happiness. Maybe I show my happiness of meeting the person or of being in the group. In conclusion, I say that in introducing yourself, the tips that you need to use is that the first one is greeting. You need to greet the person before. You need to greet the person. You need to greet the person before all. And after greeting that, you say your name. And after greeting, you say your name. And after saying your name, you say exactly your origin, where you are from, or where you are living, or where you are located. And the third one is that you say the kind of person you are. What do you do for living? What kind of person? Who are you exactly? You say that to the person or through the group of the person that you meet or through the people. I don't know. You show your happiness of meeting the person or of being between the people. I think that's okay then. And I hope this video serves you and works for you in order to help you understand exactly how to introduce yourself in English. Subscribe for more videos. For every week we post for you and you learn with us. I'll be happy to see you in our community. And we love you so much. In English with JL. Come for more. Don't forget to share and subscribe.